Hey Travel Fam, welcome to our Pro Tips with DPP Travel video. This is where we share quick insights, answer your most common travel questions, and help you navigate the ever-changing world of travel like a pro. We'll be dropping more videos like this regularly, so if you've got travel plans coming up or just want to travel smarter, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. So, let's dive into our very first topic. Why DPP Travel doesn't book standalone flights. As of 2025, flight cancellations, schedule changes, and staffing issues are still happening far too often. Airlines are unpredictable, and travelers are paying the price in delays, rerouting headaches, and long wait times just to speak with someone. Here's the issue. When a flight is booked by a travel advisor, even as a courtesy, airlines tend to push travelers back to the advisor when something goes wrong. We've had clients physically standing at the gate or ticket counter being told, "You need to call your travel agent." It's frustrating, avoidable, and honestly, unnecessary. The reality is, once you've checked in, the airline controls everything about your flight. But instead of owning that, some carriers pass the buck, and that creates a loop of stress that you just don't need. That's why DPP Travel made the decision. We will only book air as part of a complete travel package, one that includes accommodations, transfers, and other components that we can fully support. For anything outside of that, individual flights or flights booked on their own, we'll absolutely guide you, show you the best options, and help you know where and how to book directly. We just won't be the booking agent. Why? Because direct bookings now come with added benefits. Easier access to airline support, more flexible changes, exclusive upgrade or credit offers. And unfortunately, most of those perks are not extended to bookings made through third parties. Now, don't worry, we are still here to support you. If your flight changes or gets canceled and you booked directly, we're still happy to jump in where we can. Whether it's helping you understand your options, navigating a rebooking, or even being on hold with the airline if needed, we've got your back. We just want what's best for you, and in this case, booking flights directly gives you the most power and flexibility. And that's what we care about most. We'll be sharing more pro tips in upcoming videos, from packing hacks and travel insurance tips to must-have travel apps. If there's something you've always wanted to ask, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get a heads up when the next tip drops. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling smart. See you in the next video.